When you look up at a giant skyscraper, what do you think is actually holding it all together? Yeah, steel and concrete, of course, but the real strength, the true foundation, lies in something you can't even see. Today, we're going to explore that invisible architecture, the management systems for quality and safety that really make or break every modern construction project. So let me start by asking you a question. Picture a busy construction site. What do you think is the single most important tool they have? Is it a massive crane, a bulldozer, maybe some high-tech laser level? Well, the answer might actually surprise you. It's not something you can hold in your hand. The most powerful tool on any job site is the attitude, that collective mindset that ultimately determines if a project is a huge success or a total failure. And you know what? That attitude starts right at the top with leadership. A culture of high standards set by the people in charge and embraced by every single person on site, that is the true foundation. Without it, the best laid plans are, well, they're just paper. Look, you can have the thickest rulebook in the world, but if the leadership doesn't actively build a culture that values excellence, those rules are pretty much meaningless. It's about inspiring a team that wants to do great work safely, not just a team that's grudgingly following orders. So, how do we build on that foundation? Well, we do it with two crucial pillars. Let's start with the first one, the quality plan. Because in construction, quality is never an accident. It's the direct result of meticulous planning before a single shovel ever hits the ground. And when we say quality, it's not some abstract idea of perfection. In the world of construction, quality has a very precise definition. It means delivering exactly what the owner and the designers agreed upon in the plans. The contractor's job is to execute that vision perfectly, down to the last detail. Now, you probably hear QA and QC mentioned together all the time, but they are very different things. Quality assurance, or QA, is the proactive stuff. It's the company-wide system designed to prevent errors from ever happening. Quality control, or QC, is the reactive part, the on-site inspections that confirm the work actually meets the standard. Think of it this way. QA designs a safe, clean kitchen, while QC tastes the soup. You absolutely need both to guarantee a great meal. A great quality plan is an active strategy, and it's built on three core objectives. Number one, do it right the first time. Number two, catch potential issues before they balloon into expensive problems. And number three, treat every single project as a chance to learn and get better for the next one. It's a constant cycle of improvement. Okay, on to our second pillar, which is every bit as crucial as the first, the safety plan. While it's true that high-quality work is often safe work, safety itself has unique risks that absolutely require their own dedicated plan. And let's be really clear here. Construction is one of the most dangerous industries in the world. A safety plan isn't about compliance or avoiding fines. Its one and only goal is to make sure that every single person on that site gets to go home safely to their families, period. A really solid safety plan has a lot of layers. It all starts with a genuine commitment from management, and that commitment translates into real-world action, analyzing hazards, treating staff to prevent accidents, and having non-negotiable rules for things like protective gear and a zero-tolerance, substance-free workplace. This is what that safety culture looks like in practice. It doesn't matter if you're the CEO of the company or a visitor just stopping by for an hour. The moment you step on that site, you are wearing a hard hat. There are no exceptions. That simple, universal rule sends a powerful message. Safety is everyone's responsibility all the time.
All right, so we've got our two pillars, quality and safety. Now let's lock them together with the keystone of the whole structure, the economics. Because in construction, quality and safety aren't just about doing the right thing. They are fundamental drivers of financial success.
Think about the cost when things go wrong. Every single piece of rework is a direct hit to the budget. Every delay creates a massive ripple effect on costs and timelines. And every safety incident sends insurance premiums soaring. These aren't just minor expenses. They can completely cripple a project. The equation is simple, and it's totally unforgiving. Poor quality and unsafe practices don't just cost money in rework and delays. They destroy something that's way harder to rebuild, your reputation. But here's the flip side, which is also true. A company that's known for excellent quality and has an impeccable safety record doesn't just avoid costs, it builds a powerful competitive advantage. In this industry, trust is currency, and a reputation for excellence is the most valuable asset you can have. So let's bring it all together. This invisible architecture, this deep commitment to quality and safety, it isn't just some optional add-on. It's the very framework that builds a successful project and a sustainable business. The key takeaway here is this. Excellence is engineered. It doesn't happen by accident. It is the direct result of a disciplined culture and a unified system where quality and safety are woven into the fabric of every single action. So I'll leave you with this thought. The next time you see a crane in the sky or a building rising up, look beyond the steel and the glass. Look for that invisible architecture, the commitment to quality and safety that's truly holding it all together. What pillars will you see?